things interchangeably when they are mutually exclusive definition, right? And it turns out the reason for this is because one of the inefficiency of linguistic models is lexicographers' inability to decipher the ambiguous nature of language, because a premise is ambiguous and a proposition is ambiguous.
It's a big job being a lexicographer. I mean, there are so many words that have, and especially in the English language, that have come from so many different languages that you really can't be a monolinguistic person. You can't be a single language speaker when you are trying to pull apart the lexicon of the English language, because there are so many words that are borrowed or straight up stolen, that sometimes we use them and the meaning is completely opposite. And so I think it's been cause for a lot of confusion over the last 1,000 years that the English language has existed in the way that it has.
You mentioned before I got into this long tangent about synthesis, which actually is a unified whole between mutually exclusive parts. Our arguments are really built, or like you hear in philosophy, the most pervasive term, what they call it, axiom. Axiom is, again, this sort of circular deferring back. An axiom is basically a statement or proposition regarded as a self-evident truth. We're not even going to get into that. But my contention here is a premise is this: a previous statement or proposition in which another is inferred.